Hi, Virgo. Welcome to your reading for today. We're going to see what you need to know right now. This could be past, present, or future for you. Okay, you could be a cross watcher, so just take it how it resonates. All right. Now, let's see, Virgo. What do you need to know right now? What is going on with Virgo? Judgment. The Two of Cups. The Seven of Wands, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, Seven of Wands and the Chariot. All right, so looks like you're dealing here with a relationship of some sorts, the Magician at the bottom, and then we have the Star at the top. Okay, so there's a judgment call being made here. This has to do with you standing up for yourself, defending yourself, protecting something here, okay, and you moving forward determinedly. But in the energy of you really defending yourself here, okay, or standing up for something. Let's see, why is judgment here? The Queen of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Okay, so Virgo, that could be you, Queen of Pentacles, okay, and something about a King of Cups. Why is the Two of Cups here? The Five of Swords, manipulation, all right, deceit, somebody trying to win at all costs here. The Seven of Pentacles, a long-term investment, or a long-term relationship, but something being very manipulative. What's the Seven of Wands? The Empress and the Sun. Okay, so this has to do with you knowing your worth, knowing who you are, knowing what you deserve, and defending your happiness, okay? Or sticking up for yourself because you know what you deserve and you know what you don't deserve. So what's the Chariot? The Knight of Wands in reverse. And the Eight of Wands. Okay, yeah, this could have to do with someone that is a cheater, someone who's non-committal, somebody who's also kind of violent maybe, all right? Like someone who has a quick temper, somebody who can't control their temper or their temperament. They're very quick with something. Yeah, you might have had to put up some sort of protection here with this person. Tell me more about judgment. The Fool in reverse. Yeah, that's judgment. Okay, judgment is no new beginning. No new beginning with this person. Or some sort of judgment is coming down on someone for their careless actions, or the fact that they're reckless, or they're just impulsive, okay? They just take bad risks here. The Two of Pentacles, something that they tried to switch around, or some sort of juggling as well. Justice and the Knight of Swords. Yeah, okay, so there's something that's being communicated here, something that's spoken. And this has to do with balancing something out. Something has to be made fair. Okay, something has to balance out. What is that about? The Phoenix, changing mind. There's some sort of renewal here. Somebody changing their mind. Okay. About a self-absorbed narcissist and something being about passion, okay? Or this is somebody's temperament, their anger, their fire energy, a narcissist. Yeah, so that kind of looks like what you've been dealing with this whole time. Could be a long-term investment or a long-term relationship with someone, where they're highly, highly manipulative because they are a narcissist. Okay, I can't diagnose them, but I mean, honestly, I feel it, okay? And if this is your reading, then you probably know exactly who this is. So this relationship right now, or this person, for the way that they treated you in the relationship, they are under judgment. Okay, because something here was so unfair towards you, okay? And something does have to change. This could even be like people's perspectives have to change about what was actually going on here, because something here was not fair towards you, all right? Tell me more about this Two of Cups. The Two of Wands and the choice with some sort of an apology, okay? So maybe somebody wants to apologize to you, all right? Or they want you to reconsider something. This happened in the past, okay? So this could have to do with an apology that they made in the past, where you could have known also that this apology was manipulative, all right? Or it was deceptive in a way. Or you know that this person is somebody that would say anything. They say whatever they need to say to kind of reel you back in, all right? They say things that they don't mean, and that includes apologies, okay? Heart with a key, welcoming love, meeting the one, getting together, perfect. Yeah, they'll tell you that you're the one, and they only want you, and you know, you're perfect, I like you. Yeah, all the things you want to hear. Okay, they'll tell you everything that you want to hear. That you're like perfect for them, you're all they ever wanted, you know, but that's not how they treat you in the relationship, okay? This is someone where their actions and their words don't align at all. At all. Okay. And that's how you could have really started to pick up on the fact that this is some narcissistic love bombing, okay? It's one-sided and it's manipulative, because they say a lot of things that they don't mean, and they say a lot of things, but their actions don't match that, okay? So you had to defend yourself here, Seven of Wands. The Queen of Swords and the Star, okay? Something about Aquarius maybe, or it doesn't have to be. Or it's just about the fact that this person sees you as the one, right? I feel like that's what they could come around and say then, right? Is like, you're the one, and you're the only one I want, and you're perfect, and you're this, and you're that, but what about that? Strength. And the Three of Pentacles. They want to work together. They want to find a solution. Okay, but you're coming out as the Star, Strength, and the Empress, which means that you are very strong, okay? Maybe just as a personality, but what does that mean? Or they admire you. I mean, this could be someone that admires you, or they look up to you in some sort of a way, okay? They do know that you are one of a kind, or they do know that, you know, you're special, but they don't know how to treat you, right? You know, it's like, I don't know. What is this about? Birds. A bird? A caged bird. Yeah, that's what you are to them. A cage. A bird in a cage. They think you're a beautiful bird. Don't get me wrong. They know that you're a beautiful bird. But they want to put you in a cage because they don't know how to they want to admire you in the cage, but they don't know how to deal with you and let you out of the cage. You know what I mean? They can't Yeah, you're like a pet in a way. A man. Okay, so this could be you or the other person looking at the flower. Look, it's this energy of somebody looking at the flower. They want to pick the flower, they want to watch it wither away, they want to put the bird in the cage, and they just want to admire it. So it's like they know that you're a special thing. But again, this is a snake and they don't know how to treat you, okay? So what else for that here, Virgo? The Magician. It's all about their manipulation. I swear, this is somebody that can create like either like an illusion of who they are, okay? They're like a magician, like somebody doing magic tricks, okay, on you, where it's like they will distort the way that you see them. They'll create an image of themselves that's not real, okay? They'll create a reality of what they can offer you that isn't real. They're an illusionist. Okay, that's who this person is. They're an illusionist. Everything that they say to you is an illusion. Right? It's manipulation, exactly. 5 of Swords. Straight up manipulation. Straight up saying everything that they need to say just to get the outcome that they want. They don't, and they're not above lying about, oh, I love you, you're the one, you're perfect for me, please, I'll tell you everything you want to hear. They're not above that. Okay? They're a master manipulator, and an illusionist at that. Strength. Yeah, they see you like a pet. I swear, they see you like a pet, okay? Like how she's petting this lion's head, that's how this person sees you. That's the thing. They do see you as this lion, as the bird, as the flower. They do. But again, they don't know what to do with you besides lock you away in a cage or let you wither away and die or keep you as a pet. They don't know how to handle you or how to treat you well. So what's the Chariot? Or you want to know what else this is? They want you so no one else can have you. Right? They just want you so that no one else can have you. Yeah, Judgment, exactly. They just want you so no one else can have you. King of Swords. The 7 of Wands, and that's the truth. And this is why you defended yourself, and this is why you put up a boundary and you said no more, okay? And you blocked this person off and you blocked them out of your life. Yeah, because they do see you like the special thing. That's the thing. But it's like, again, it's like they just don't want anyone else to have you. And on top of that, this is going to be someone, because they're a narcissist. On one day, they're going to tell you that you're the most beautiful thing ever, and you're the one, and you're special, and you're this and you're that. And then the next day, they're going to cut you down because they don't want you to know or believe that you're the only special thing walking around, and they could have so many other people like you, right? Then this is where it gets to the degrading part, where they'll try to put themselves above you in the sense that they are the special one in the relationship. You're not. They could have 10,000 other people just like you, okay? Because they want to be the prize, but they're the narcissistic, illusionist, love bomber, okay? So they have to cut you down and make you feel horrible about yourself just so that they are seen as the prize, when in reality, you're the one locked in the cage, in the bird cage, withering away, because they know exactly that you're special. They just don't want anyone else to have you. And they also want to be loved and admired like you, so they have to cut you down. You know, it's that kind of a cycle here. The Hanged Man and the Tower, yeah, stuck. That's how they had you, stuck in a cage. What's the Tower? A caged bird. 8 of Cups and the 10 of Cups. Yeah, something about you walking away, okay? Leaving something behind to have family, to receive family, to have some sort of ultimate happiness and bliss in your life, right? Yeah, it's almost like this. Look, this will be someone that they don't give this to you. They don't give this to you. They will never step up and show up for you, okay? Where they'll give you the commitment, they'll give you the family, they'll give you, you know, what you deserve, basically, okay? Love and affection, all right? And some sort of unity and partnership. They'll never give these things to you. But they also don't want anyone else to give those things to you. So they'll keep you trapped in a cage like a bird. And you're their pet. They'll keep you like a pet because they don't want anyone else to have you, but they're not going to give it to you. You know, is that? It's very strange, this person's idea of a relationship with you, okay? Nine of Wands in reverse, lies, the Nine of Swords. Yeah, this person is also a liar, okay? Like everything that they could have ever told you, it was a lie. An illusion. It was just to get you out of your head, right? It's like if this person can tell that you're stressed out about something, or you're like nothing's happening, nothing's moving, like you're kind of wasting my time. I feel like I'm a caged bird. What am I getting out of this? Like, you're literally just wasting my time, okay? When you get into this energy, that's when they start lying to you, right? The 10 of Cups. Nine of Wands in reverse. They leave you unprotected, or when you feel like giving up. When you feel like giving up, they come in with the lies. Yeah, like imagine this, a caged bird. And you're in the bird cage and you're getting tired of the bird cage. You're like, I just want to be free. Like, I just want to fly around. I just want to meet like birds like me, okay? I just want to have a life, okay? I just want to be free. I want to feel free. And then this person can tell that you're kind of getting antsy in the cage, and they'll say things like, yeah, but you know, you're so special, and that's why you're in the cage. And one day, I promise I'm going to let you out of the cage. I promise, because you're so special and you're the one. And you're in the cage right now, but it's not going to be forever. And I promise one day I'll let you out of the cage. That day would never come. Never. It would have never come. All right. The Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, the future, long term. One day. Not this day, but maybe next year, right? The Ten of Swords, ultimate betrayal. Yeah, it wasn't like what this person was doing to you. It wasn't a long-term plan. It was a betrayal. Right? It's a painful ending. It's like a slow, painful death. It's a slow, painful ending. Yeah, this is like someone that wastes the best years of your life, okay? Or, you know, even worse, like the example I'm getting, this will be like someone that future fakes with you, okay? Like, let's say it's about having a child, right? Let's say this person wants to have a child. This is somebody that will waste your time and draw things out until you are too old. Like if you're a woman, you're too old to have children. You know what I mean? It's that kind of energy. It's like they keep promising you something. Oh, then, until you're like too old for it or something like that, right? Like that's how this person is. It's just an illusion. They're just trying to, buy themselves more time to keep you in the cage, basically. So what's this Chariot, Knight of Wands reverse, Queen of Cups in reverse? Yeah, getting yourself out of the cage. Okay? Getting yourself out of this freaking cage here. The Knight of Pentacles reverse, because it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere at all. The Queen of Cups in reverse. Why is that here? Somebody that is just charming and using you. Exactly. A narcissist that is just charming and using you. Charming you with their lies and their bullshit. All right? Really. Just to use you. Just to put you in the cage because you're pretty. Photograph. Just so that they can look at you. That's it. So that they can look at you and admire you. That's all it is. It's just about having you under their control. It's about possessing you. This is somebody that wanted you as a possession. Okay? Heartbroken. Watching, looking, stalking, gaslighting, perception. Yeah. The way that this person gaslit you and changed the perception of things, changed the way that you see things, always putting those, every time those rose-colored glasses started to slip off your face, this person would put them back on your face. No, this is the thing, right? No, you're not in a cage. You're not a bird in a cage. One day, I swear, I'm going to let you out. I swear one day, I'm going to let you out of the cage. You're going to be free. You're going to get everything you've ever wanted from me. I promise. You're not in a cage. You're just my beautiful, precious, exotic bird, okay? I promise I'm not wasting your time away. That's this. All right, so why do you need Virgo to know this today? Why do you need Virgo to know about this? Because this person is a liar. Because they're a liar and a manipulator, okay? And the High Priestess, and you felt it the whole time, okay? Or maybe you knew, or you caught on to it. The fact that this person is lying, okay? Two of Swords, yeah. They're just telling you things that don't make sense, okay? Actions don't match their words. They're in denial, they're lying. They can never give you a clear answer. And that's the next thing. If you ask this person for clear, days, like it's like, okay, can we make a plan on this and this date, okay? Or, how many months, how many years, next week, when? They can't give you a date. They can't give you a time. This is someone that will procrastinate. They'll push things farther and farther back. All right, they're a liar. Okay, and with this kind of a person, it is so important to have intuition, because you need intuition to be able to see through whatever they're doing. Okay, you have to see through it. This person is a Knight of Wands. All right. Telling you, one day I'm going to give this to you, and one day you're going to get this from me, and I'm going to give this, and I'm going to give you the whole wide world. No, they're not. Ace of Pentacles reversed. They're not giving you shit. Death, and they would have, and nothing would have ever changed either. They never had any intention of changing anything. All right, it would have never changed. Or if you're dealing with this person right now, here's your wake-up call. Like, something here is never going to change, ever. Okay? This person, the things that they say when they're apologizing, you can't take it seriously. If they make you big promises about what they want with you when it's not serious. It's just words. And you're going to realize that their words don't match what they say. Okay? It's like, years will go by and nothing changed. Years will go by and they're still doing the same thing. Page of Swords, that's your message. Okay? About this about their long-term plans, right? Everything they say about one day we're going to do this. One day I'm going to have this with you. One day, I promise. I'm going to give you this and we're going to do that and I'm going to get blah, 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 blah. Okay? Caged bird. One day I'm going to let you out. Really? Do you think that this person's going to let you out of that cage? No, because you're a pet. You are a pet to them. Okay? You're not, they don't see you like a partner. You're like a pet. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that, Virgo. All right, I hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.